Alright, this is a homemade air compressor made out of stuff just laying around. Show you how it works real quick. Motor's off for like a little 12 volt kid's little motorcycle toy. I have to hold it down right now because I ain't got nothing mounted yet. See how it works. See, it's got a kind of support. I made it for an airbrush, but that's just a 1 liter tank. I'm gonna end up getting a like a 2 gallon one that's real big, and then hook it up. That way I can actually store the air and control it. They're not so small I can't store the air. But it's pretty simple. I mean, you can see it's just a little 12 volt motor. Just stuff like laying around. You can see how it works. It pumps it, you know. It's like if he's hand pumping it. Pretty simple. But I'll make a bigger one. Put a pressure valve on it and everything. And I'll make another video when I get it done. It'll be a while, but and I'll pump up like tires or something. Just to show that it works. Hope you like it. Hope you make your own. I'm Devin Long. Homemade air compressor. I like to call myself a spontaneous engineer.